Good morning, YouTube. South Point repointing. We've got today soldier course on a very rusty lintel. There's nothing left of it now. This is what we got. Terrible, absolutely shot to bits. Although to be fair, the soldier course wouldn't have gone anywhere. It was so tightly pinched. But, I mean, look at this. That's what we got. Well, at least he wasn't going to get any water in there. This lead tray goes all the way up to the top. That'll explain why he's got no damp problems whatsoever. Okay, so we get our bearing out. So next move, I was quite lucky with the soldier course. They were so tightly pinched that they weren't going to drop. This stuff here looks quite hard. Well, it is quite hard. So I'll get my bearing out. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. That half's going to drop anyway. Hence why I've only got one acro. I don't need two because this stuff is solid. That's going to fall out. I mean, is this stuff any good? I mean, look at that. Try and sweep that up. Not going to happen, is it? But anyway, I'll get another video of this when I've got it in. This is fun. Bye bye.